Henry the donkey has a long piece of pasta. He takes several bites, each time eating 3 inches of pasta from the middle of one piece. In the end, he has 10 pieces of pasta whose total length is 17 inches. How long, in inches, was the piece of pasta he started with? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here's the key idea. Every bite is taken from the middle of a piece. Biting the middle splits that one piece into 2 pieces. So each bite increases the number of pieces by exactly 1. He starts with 1 piece and ends with 10 pieces. Since each bite adds 1 piece, the number of bites is 10 minus 1, which is 9 bites. Each bite removed 3 inches of pasta. With 9 bites, the total amount eaten is 9 times 3, which is 27 inches. The original piece equals what's left plus what was eaten. That's 17 inches remaining plus 27 inches eaten, which equals 44 inches. The answer is 44.